Hi, good morning. I finally arrived.
Good morning! I'm glad you came early. Today is festival day.
I can feel the festival mood already. Your neighborhood looks lively.
Yes, everyone woke up early today. People are smiling more than usual.
Are you fully ready? Did you bring your shopping bag?
Yes, I did. I thought we might buy vegetables and souvenirs.
That's a good idea. I didn't eat breakfast yet.
Same here. Let's eat at the market. The food there is special.
All right, let's not waste time.
Perfect. Let's get in the car and start our day.
I can already smell food from here.
That means breakfast first.
Good morning. Welcome to the festival market.
Good morning. We'd like 2 coffees, please.
Hot or iced?
Iced for me, please.
Hot coffee for me. Would you like something to eat as well? Yes, 1 breakfast sandwich. Please wait a moment.
Thank you.
The smell of coffee is so nice.
It really wakes me up.
Here you are. Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you very much.
Now that we have energy, let's explore the market.
Yes, I want to see everything slowly. Wow, the market is very crowded.
But it feels friendly, not stressful.
I hear music and laughter.
Festival day brings everyone together.
Look at those stalls. So colorful.
Each one sells something different. Let's start with fresh food sections.
Okay, vegetables first. I like buying vegetables from local farmers.
They are fresh and healthy. Fresh vegetables from the farm.
These greens look very fresh.
How much are the tomatoes today? They are cheaper because of the festival.
That's great. I'll take 1 kilo.
Good choice. Everything looks natural here.
Yes, I trust local products.
Thank you. Happy festival.
Thank you. These handmade items are beautiful.
They look very special.
All handmade by local artists. I'll buy this bag.
It's a nice memory from today.
I agree. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Do you smell that?
Yes, festival food.
Traditional festival food here. What do you recommend? This dish is very popular today.
Let's share 1 plate.
That sounds perfect.
The taste is amazing.
Festival food always feels special.
Because it's shared with joy. I feel tired but happy.
Me too. Let's go home.
Today was really meaningful.
Yes, we enjoyed food, culture, and people. My favorite part was walking together.
I love the music and handmade items. Let's make this a tradition.
Definitely. Festival Day is always worth remembering.